Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to our science class. In this video, we are going to learn about electronic configuration and valency. As the name suggests, electronic refers to electrons and the term configuration means arrangement. So we can say electronic configuration of an atom is the arrangement of its electrons in the shells. My dear children, there are two important facts which we must know. First, the innermost shell or first shell has a maximum of 2 electrons that can be accommodated in it. Secondly, from the second shell onwards, whichever is the outermost shell, it can accommodate a maximum of 8 electrons in it. And this state is called octet state, or we can say stable state. From these two facts, we understood that every atom of an element wants to have a maximum number of electrons in its outermost shell, or we can say every atom of an element wants to acquire stable state. But my dear children, it is not possible that every atom of an element have 8 electrons in its outermost shell. Let us understand it with the help of an example. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. It means the total number of electrons is 8. As we know that the first shell can accommodate 2 electrons. It means 2 electrons will be in first shell and the remaining 6 electrons in the second shell. So the electronic configuration of oxygen is 2, 6. If we look at the figure of atomic structure of oxygen, it doesn't have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So now the question arises, how will it achieve its stable state or octet state? My dear children, the oxygen can borrow or share electrons with the atoms of other elements and can acquire stable state. So my dear children, the combining capacity of the atom of an element with the atoms of other elements is known as its valency. And the valency of an element is always a whole number. That's all in this video. Thank you.